What's up everyone, and welcome to another Lutheria price prediction video. In these videos I will break down where I think the price might be moving next for various crypto assets, and these assets are coming from suggestions that I either get in the comment section down below these videos or in the Lutheria community Telegram channel, which you can find a link to join in the description below. But in this video we're going to be going through QNT here on Binance, and you can see QNT is tightening up here and pretty much just consolidating after having this significant run up here of over approximately 145%. So if we pull on the Bollinger Band's technical indicator here, what we can see is significant contraction. So you can see that when we have times of expansion, meaning the price moving in one direction very volatilely, I don't know if volatility is a word, but when we're moving with extreme volatility, you can see the Bollinger Bands expand. Now this indicator, what I like to use this indicator for, is to see when the price is going to potentially break out significantly. And here we're starting to see the Bollinger Bands contract. They're getting smaller and smaller, and right now we're very close to a potential breakout. Now if this ends up breaking out to the upside because of this contraction, I would expect to move at least up to about $400. So right now that is approximately about 37% away from where we are now. If we look at this from an Ichimoku cloud perspective on the lower time frames, like the 12-hour, you can see that this indicator is getting ready to potentially get into the most bullish scenario that it can be in, which is where the price is above the cloud. The cloud is green, which you can see it just flipped to here on the 12-hour time frame, and then we're right above that with the Tenkin and the Kijun. So the blue line has to be above the red, and both of those have to be above the cloud. And once we're in that scenario, that's where we're going to really, I think, see that move up to $400. But right now, I would expect, we need to see a breakout on the daily time frame above this pivot level. We need to close above about $300 on the daily time frame, and then we can start to potentially see some follow through there from this asset. But ultimately, once we move past 400 big figure and we reclaim that kind of zone, once we close above this candlestick really at 378 on the daily time frame, that's going to end up turning into a support zone for price. And that's going to be an area for potential buying for a breakout to see significant upside. But there's a big opportunity before that to buy now and then hold until we get up to, until we see that expansion from the Bollinger Bands up past that resistance zone, which is that daily candle from September 18th that we've already tested twice. You can see that here on September 23rd and here on October 2nd. So that's the key area that we'll go up to once we start to expand. That's the first immediate target, which is about 345. Thereafter, it's right up. I would say right up to about $400 would be the next target thereafter. And then after that, I would say it's the R2 pivot up here at about 421. So that's really what I'm looking at on QNT. If you like this video, please give it a like down below and subscribe for future educational content around cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. And place a comment down below with an asset that you would like to see me analyze in these videos. And also, I'd like just to briefly point out the event that we have coming up on Lutheria.com. On November 6th, we're going to be breaking down one of our crypto investment strategies, mine specifically, and this is going to help you guys learn how to source and take advantage of different investment opportunities in the crypto space, how to also define areas where you can accumulate some assets that you're bullish on and also take profits on investments you're already in, as well as things like adjusting your portfolio to reduce your risk and maximize your yield using things like DeFi apps. And also, we're going to be going over how to use our automated investment tool, and we'll be gathering some suggestions from you guys on different features that you would like to see that would benefit you, as well as design implementations as well. So if you like this, head to the link in the description below and you can get your ticket for the crypto investment strategy breakdown event on November 6th. And until next time, onward and upward.